So this is Graeme's boat. Graeme's a really experienced boater that we've been fortunate enough to build a boat for. He'll be using his boat down at Meetung in the river for recreational purposes with his kids, and he'll also be going fishing off Lakes Entrance as well. So it's a really versatile, well-rounded boat. So for Graeme, we've gone for a custom gunnel. He keeps his boat moored in the Meetung River, so he wanted to make sure that when his sons are using his boat that it's nice and well protected. So Bass Strait have been kind enough to let us use their gunnel and tell us how to put it on, and it's come up a treat. So we've got a Mercury 225 V6 on this 565. It's becoming one of our most favourite setups for the 565, and it runs like an absolute dream. So couldn't be more impressed with how it's going, and we highly recommend these engines. We've also got some trim tabs, and Graeme's opted for a custom bung as well down the bottom. So there's a few little touches. Graeme's a very experienced boater, so he's worked out what he wants and how he likes it, and that's what we've done with this boat. So now we're up at the Helm. Graeme's opted to get his fit out done by a local supplier down where he lives. So we've just got it nice and set up so he can add all these electronics and fit it out exactly how he wants with his local guy. So a nice clean dash ready to be fitted out, and he's also going to be getting his bimini and clears done down at a local supplier as well. So it's sitting here ready for everyone else to finish off all the work. All right, so now I'll run you through the back of the boat. As you can see, we've got one of our custom bait boards here, dual live bait tank setup, which is a standard on the 565. We've also got a rear lounge, which is an awesome option for when you want to cruise in the river, like Graeme's going to be doing, or skiing out the back. We've also got our battery switches, VSR cluster switches in here, and then batteries either side. So this lounge is completely removable. So when you need to access your batteries, you can just take out the lounge, which is pretty easy to remove. I'll also mention our floor. So Graeme's opted for the double fleck, which is an awesome option. I think it looks great on the floor, and then all inside all of the pockets is double fleck. So it's really seamless throughout the whole boat. So we've got the grey, the white and the black. It's a very classy finish. Congratulations, Graeme. You've built a beautiful boat, and we can't wait to see it finished and out on the water.